Alright, so welcome back. We'll continue again with tutorial sheet 1 of lecture 1, which is dimensional analysis. Now this is question 6 from your tutorial sheet, which is really a simple question. So let's get to it. So now treat a cell in a human as a sphere. That's everything you need to know. The radius is 10 micrometers. Determine the volume of the cell. So we need to find the volume of the cell in terms of it being a sphere. So the volume of the cell in terms of it being a sphere, we'll just take the volume of the sphere, which is 4 over 3 pi r cubed, of which in our data we know that the radius has been given to be 1.0 micrometers. Micro simply means 10 to the minus 6, so I have 1.0 times 10 to the minus 6 meters. So for me to find my volume, I will just replace r with the formula for the volume of a sphere. So volume is equal to 4 over 3 pi r, which is 1.0 times 10 to the minus 6. If you compute this on your calculator, you'll be having a proper answer. So you say 4 over 3, then multiply it by pi. After you do that, then multiply it by 1.0 times 10 to the minus 6. Upon doing that, you will get your final answer as the volume to be equivalent to 4.1, I'll round it off, 9 times 10 to the minus 6. This is volume, centimeter cubed. As simple as that. Now for B, it says estimate the volume of your body. Now they're not really specific of which body we're talking about here. So pick any random body you can think about. Just imagine, because it's an estimate, so we don't know the body we're talking about. So maybe there's this body that looks like a cylinder, or this body that looks like a rectangle, or maybe a body that looks like a sphere. Yeah, so just have to pick any body. So mostly whenever you're estimating things that are in this case, others would pick a cylinder, the rectangle, others just a normal sphere but changing the radius. It's one and the same thing. Okay, let's pick a cylinder. Alright, so a cylinder looks something like this. Yeah, okay. Yeah, my drawing is not okay. Let's try something like that. Alright, so let me call this my radius, and let me say my radius is 5, and then I can give my height to be 10. Yeah, so let me try and find the volume of my body. So let's call this the body. So my body is a cylinder in my estimation here. So the volume of the cylinder, we said is pi r squared h. So volume will be equal to pi, r is 5 squared, and h is 10. Computing this on your calculator, you'll be having pi times 5 squared times 10. So upon doing that, pi times 5 squared times 10, you will get your value to be 250 watt, pi to be your volume in meters cubed. Or others would prefer it to be volume in terms of 785.398 meters cubed. Either way, we're speaking the same language. So that's the volume of the body that I've decided. You can literally pick any values here as your radius or height, any of your choice. If you want, you can go for a rectangle. You could say L times B times H, then try and guess values and find the volume. Okay, the basic, or at least the whole issue here is just to find the volume of any body, because it's not so really specific here. You can see they're saying estimate the number of cells in your body. Alright, so to estimate, since it's my body and I pick my body to be what? A cylinder. So it will be volume of cylinder divided by the volume of each cell. So which means the number of cells equal to the volume of the cylinder, which is 250 pi, over the volume of each cell, and we found it to be this, isn't it? It was this. It was 4.189 times 10 to the minus 6. Computing this, it's what we'll have. We have 250 times pi being divided by 4.189 times 10 to the minus 6. Let's try and equate this. So we'll be having 187490609.5 cells in your body. And that'll be your answer. So be mindful that the estimated number of cells in the body is never really the same, because one person estimated the volume here and another estimated, so you can't have the same estimates. Yeah, because just estimating, if I wanted here, I could have said, okay, let's make this 9.1, let's make this height 10.9. Still the same thing. I hope you understand the whole point to this. It's quite simple and straightforward. Alright, so my name is Mr. Hussein. Kindly like and subscribe to the channel. If you need help, you can reach me direct to my inbox in the number that is put in the description below.